Alright, this is Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. I'm back out here again in my gar hole. Just seen one roll, so that's a good sign. I got my lines, I got some fresh bait we caught last night, so I'm ready to go. So stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. We'll put these lines out, see if we can't catch some fish. All set up. Now we just gotta wait. So stay tuned. We get a fish. I'll put y'all. Let me move this over here out of that ant pile. I'll put y'all on and we'll see. Stay tuned. We've been here now. They keep swirling. See the swirl? They keep moving around. Actually, my cork just disappeared. It could be because of garbage though. Nope, it's back up. Oh nope, there's something messing with it. Okay, we got something messing with us. You can put this back on here. I was about to say it's about to rain, so this could be fun. I might have to stop it in the middle of this, but we do have a fish playing with us. We're gonna play with the fish. Yeah, the sprinkling's getting a little heavy and that fish didn't stick around, so I'm gonna go put this up in the truck and hopefully we can get us a fish. Might have to film it from inside the truck, but we'll see. Let's get in here and make sure my cameras don't get squashed by the rain. Little float's got another hit. It went under, disappeared, and then it came back and nothing. Now we got more wind. Maybe a fish ran into the line. They keep rolling around that area, so I wouldn't doubt it. Alright, finally got a confirmed hit. Alright, let's see what we can do with it. We're gonna have to be on this thing because I didn't bring all my right gear. Make sure it's. Yep. Alrighty. Look at that. Oh, the other pole's going off now. Looks like we're gonna end up with some meat today. Another big turtle. Oh, buddy. Come on. Big angry turtle. Oh, come on, buddy. Get up here. Look at the size of that dude. Things are crazy. There are tons of them in here. Unfortunately, he's gonna have to stay hooked to the line because I got another fish. Ugh. Come on. Hey y'all, the fish is this way. Still under. Hasn't been ripping too much line, so I don't know if you got it, buddy. We got us another turtle. He barely fits in the ice chest. He's gonna have to figure out how to get that hook out with him, without him biting me. But he can sit and chill. What you're supposed to do with him, get him to cool down in the water. Still got 2 lines out, so we're good to go. We'll go ahead and shut this off, put it back in the truck just in case the rain comes back, because it still looks like rain up there. Dark clouds coming. And that rod just made a lot of noise. Stop. Oh, let's put you on the camera mount. It's already past noon. We started at 9 o'clock this morning. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be out here. I was hoping to at least catch 1 gar, but I got turtle, so I got food for the day. Maybe 2 days. Let's see. I might have to run and get some stuff, cook her up. But yeah, it's been a slow day. What you say, dog? It's been a slow day. Keep getting something. I think it's a lot of this fish just running into the lines. Stay tuned for the next show. Alright, we got some action here. Just pulling out some line. Maybe I can get this thing to rip over here. Hey, we're getting some rain, so I'm going to stop it quick. Let me get this one out of the water. Alright, let's see if we got it. That one's taking up. We didn't get this one. Hopefully we get oh, the fish waited until the rain came. Alright, I gotta put this in the truck. It's not waterproof. There, right there. want to keep fishing, but I'm not going to be able to record any of it because it just started biting. Ouch. And it looks like we got some more rain coming from that way. We're gonna play it by ear. We're gonna go ahead and fish for a little bit longer and see. Hopefully too much rain. Oh yes. It's gonna be hard to hear them clickers, but that's alright. We're gonna turn these off and see what we get. We got some action. Let him free spool this thing. Hopefully there's a fish this time. Still pulling, so we get this little one down Not a bad one. Oh, I forgot that wasn't connected. Not a bad one. He's barely hooked. All he had to do was open his mouth and he would have thrown that hook. That's why I wait. The hook needs to get back to that part of the mouth to stay hooked good. All he has to do is open his mouth and start spitting it and it'll be gone. Alright. I'm going to load him in the truck and I'm going to start picking up. I'm done today. That ought to make enough food for the week between that turtle and that fish. We'll be good. Try to live off my land as much as I can. Whoa, fish! Don't jump at me. Yeah, I gotta get him put up. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.